Are you ready to uncover secrets to building monetizable faceless YouTube channel like these? So you are to the right place. According to Social Blade, this channel earns between $2,000 and $36,000 per month. Tools we will use to create viral YouTube shorts are Pexels, ChatGPT, CapCut, and 11 Labs for voiceover. Of course, all of them are free to use. Firstly, go to the ChatGPT and ask to generate some motivational phrases for our short video. Now let's choose the best one and generate voiceover to 11 Labs. I prefer to use Josh Deep Voice for my shorts. Once voiceover is ready to download, let's go to Pexels and find video materials we will use for short video. Use keywords from your ChatGPT generated phrases to find relevant videos. This is not a short process, so I will speed up the video. Add voiceover to track, and after that add videos one by one. After choosing the best moments, press Ctrl+B on your keyboard to cut and delete extra part. Plus, in adjustments window its color grading option. In this situation, I'll change temp, exposure, and contrast little bit. After achieving the desired result, we add other videos as well. We listen to the voiceover in parallel to choose the relevant video correctly. We repeat the previous process and sort the videos in order. Once we've selected the right moments and sorted the videos by relevance, it's time to make CapCut generate auto captions. For that, we have to choose text, select the video language, and press generate. To the right side, there are auto caption options and effect. Now I'll choose font, animation, and effects that are best for me. Also, the most important part is to choose right transitions. Go to Transitions tab and find Glitch Effect. In my opinion, this one is so eye-catchy. Add transitions one by one between our videos. After adding transition effects between videos, it's time to enjoy the final result. Click Menu, File, Export, and wait for CapCut to render our short. Are you ready to see my dope short video? Let's go. Life's journey is a series of challenges, but within each challenge lies an opportunity to grow. Embrace the difficulties, for they are the sculptors shaping your character. Believe in the strength within you, and with unwavering determination, turn every obstacle into a stepping stone towards your ultimate success. Remember, it's not just about reaching the destination, but about evolving through the journey. You have the power to overcome, the power to thrive, and the power to create a future that reflects the best version of yourself. Keep pushing forward, for greatness awaits those who persist.